What's up beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel Blushes by Fazana. Today I'll be doing a very bold pretty eye makeup, this one. So if you want to know how I do it, keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get started. Since we'll be doing a very bold and colorful eye look, so we want a bright base. That's why I'll be applying my P.Louis Rumor 0 shade. I'm just dabbing this brush to apply this base. I don't want to rub it because if I do this, it will stay. Taking a sponge, little beauty blender, I'm going to blend this. It will help to take off the excess product. I'm going to take this bright pink color from my Morphe 12P palette, and with the help of this brush I'm going to dab this color and just pack it on my crease. From the same palette I'm going to take this purple color and this deep blue color with the smaller brush, and we'll apply it just underneath the first shade. I'm going to take the first brush and going to apply the first shade again. Taking a clean fluffy blush, I'm just going to blend all those colors because blending is key.
I believe I can fly.
So you can see that I have applied my colors and blended them well. Now from my Morphe 35U palette, I'm going to take this teal color and apply it right on my eyelid, and after that I'll be applying this orange color in the inner corner of my eyes. So gradually I'm building the colors, starting with this teal color. Remember the second color, the deep purple color, I'm going to take that color and going to blend it with this teal color right here. Taking the deep purple color that we have applied earlier, I'm going to take that and going to blend this teal color with my purple color. After that, I'll be taking the first brush that I have used to apply the pink color and going to blend this. Remember I told you I'll be applying the orange color right in the inner corner of my eyes? Now I'll be doing that. Hi, I'm going to take this golden glitter by Ben. I'm going to apply it right in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to blend the glitters with the orange color right above here. Taking this Galaxy palette by Kara Cosmetics, I'm going to apply this silver glitter on top of my eyelid. I'm going to apply it with my ring finger. Taking my NYX liquid liner, I'm going to do a wing eyeliner. Going to apply the Mega Volume Mascara by Ardell Cosmetics on my lashes. Taking the P.Louis Rumor 0, which I have applied as my eye base, I'm going to apply this on my waterline. Don't try this if you have sensitive eyes. Taking this pink color, I'm going to apply it right underneath my lower lash line. Taking the same purple color, I'm going to apply it with my pink color and blend them together. We're almost there, but before applying my lashes, I'm going to take the white shimmer and going to apply it right underneath my eyebrows. Now the final step, I'm going to apply my lashes. After that, I'll go and do my another eye, and then I'll come back again. So that's it. I told you this is a very bold and colorful look. See, it's not for every day, but if you're feeling brave, do give this a try. And if you like this sort of content, leave this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Until then, next time, bye.
You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. Now I beg to see you dance just one more